Now we'll see magical number line to see how does it solve problem related to markup and discount. So we had seen how it solved problems of successive discounts. Now let us see how does it solve problem of markup and discounts, and they ask you what is a percentage profit. So if markup as well as the discount is given and you are being asked about the percentage profit, then go for this method. So let's draw the magical number line. What do we know about it? We write a number, central number which is 10. We write a 9, 8, 7, 6. We go on the reducing terms till 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It will keep on going. Then what do? We represent each number by a particular discount. So 9 is representing 10% discount. 8 is representing 20% discount. 7 is representing 30% discount, and then so on. So it will keep on happening. 6 will represent your 40% discount, and so will your 5, and so on. So we know the LHS of this number line. It represents what? The LHS of this number line always represents the discount, where each number is representing a particular discount. Something that we have already studied when we studied successive discount. So we know that. Now let's know the RHS of this number line. The RHS will be representing us the markup. Okay, so let's first write the RHS and see how does it represents the markup. So RHS will be what? After 10 it will be what coming? It will be 11. Then after 11 it will be 12. After 12 it will be 13. After that it will be 14. Just like how we went from 10, 9, 8, 7. We are going from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then so on. Then what did we say? 9% represented 10% discount. Now 11 will represent 10% markup. So 12 will represent 20% markup. Similarly, 13 will represent 30% markup, and then so on. And then so on. So as you go reducing by 1, 10% discount. Increasing by 1, 10% markup. And that's how you read the number line. Okay, and that's how it will keep on going. So if I give you any middle number, say between 15 and 16, what discount that will be? 15 is for 50%, 16 is for 60%. In between that I have 15.5. That will be representing 55% markup. Okay, so know this number line. Now let's solve a problem. If I am being given a markup and if I have been given a discount, how will I solve the problem related to percentage profit by using a number line? So the markup is given as 10% and the discount is given as 10%. I am being asked what is the percentage profit. Markup is 10%. What will I write according to the number line with the markup of 10%? Check it. I'll write 11. So for a markup of 10%, I'll write 11. So I wrote it there. Then a discount of 10%, I know I can write a 9 here. So 11 into 9 is my problem becomes. So 11 into 9 is 99. What are the rules of number line? I hope you can remember from the earlier section. What is the rule? Rule number 1. You always compare the final value with the 100 to check the increase or a decrease. So I'll compare the final value of 99 with 100. So from 100 it became 99. What happened? It got reduced by 1. So 1% loss because it got reduced by 1. That's it. If it was 101, then it was 1% profit because it is more than 100. Since it is lesser than 100, we write 1% loss, and we got the answer to markup and discount kind of a problem where we are being asked a percentage profit. That's how easy it is. Let's take one more problem. 20% markup which is given, and then I give 10% discount. Okay, so 20% markup from the number line. If I am being asked what will I write and I am being asked percentage profit, what will I write for 20% markup? Check it there. On the number line, 20% represents what? It's 12. Okay, so first write a 12 for 20% markup, and I'm being given a 10% discount. What is 10% discount? Representing as 9. So I'll write the problem as 12 into 9 now. What is 12 into 9? 108. As the rule says, what? You always compare the final value with the value of 100. So 100 becomes 108. Quite clearly what has happened? 8 has increased over 100. 8% profit is my answer to this question, and that's how easy it is to get the answer of markup and discounts with number line.